Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Elting here with you, and I am just going to talk to you a little bit about Section 8, Identify Types of Linear Association in our Linear Equations Review packet. Now, that name is actually misleading because not all of these graphs that you see before you are linear association. There is one that's nonlinear. I'll give you a hint. It's the one that doesn't look like a line, and we just call it nonlinear, but the rest are linear, and this works a lot like slope. But in order to practice this with you, I'm literally just going to Google image association. You're going to notice, oh, association is like people together? What? So instead, I'm going to type association scatter plot, and then I think we're going to see some really, really good examples. Any association that is trending downwards, guys, I hope you understand that that is a negative association, whereas any association generally trending upwards, such as this guy, is positive. Aside from that, there's not really much else to tell you other than sometimes we'll have no association or no correlation. Remember the difference between these two being that correlation is linear, whereas association doesn't have to be. But this is no association. If I just click on a few more, we can probably work on it together. This one, hopefully you know that that is a positive. That is a positive association. If I gave you one that's like this, hopefully you know that that is, again, negative association. It's trending downward. If I gave you, I don't know, one like this, I know it looks negative, but technically, because it curves, I would call this nonlinear association. In other words, you can't call it correlation because it's not linear. It's just nonlinear association. Another example of that is this right here. Again, clearly there's a pattern to it. It's just not linear. Whereas this, definitely a linear pattern to it, even though there's a couple outliers here. Definitely positive association. Hopefully you know that. That's probably the easiest section on this test, as well as this quiz review. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks, guys.